Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be talking about what is the best crypto to buy. But first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube, Darnell Jackson Crypto. Shout out to all the subscribers. Okay, let's jump over to a tweet that I sent out earlier today. And I'm talking about which one of these popular cryptocurrencies that start with a C and is down in the last month are you buying now? Is it Compound, which is down 26%? Is it Chainlink, which is down 11%? Or is it Cardano, which is down 11.38%, a little less than Chainlink? Post in the comments, YouTube. We have to make a decision. Now listen, everyone believes that we are in a bull market. One of the easiest techniques to pick a winning crypto is to find that coin which was down in the last month or weeks. And if the market is going up, then chances are the smart money will roll back to that coin. Now let's take a look at what's happening in the bigger picture. Because if the stock market crashes, then Bitcoin will crash, and then all of the altcoins are going to crash also. So let's take a look at which way the stock market appears to be headed right now. If I look at it over 3 years, you can see it has been on a major run. It has been on a major run since the crash. But let's go a little bit deeper. I'm going to jump over to TradeView. I want you to just get a simple understanding of where the market has come from so you can better predict where you think it's going. It looks like right now today it's doing a little bit of shuffling. Let's go all the way back to the beginning of 2000. Can we do that? And you can see where it crashes. I'm gonna shrink this down a little bit. So you can see where it crashes here at 2000, right? And then it recovers. And then it goes crazy and then it crashes again around 2008. And then it's been on a tear pretty much ever since. You can just see. And so as we continue, the next down crash didn't come until last year, the run-up. And once the stock market crashed here, it rebounded quickly, and it's got it up to where it is right here today. Now, where do you think it's headed? Where do you predict stocks are gonna head? It looks like it shuffled here around this time period. This was around 2015, 2016. Is it gonna shuffle again and then take off again? Now you gotta remember, an incredible amount of money has been created over this short period of time, and a lot of that money ends up in the stock market. It's just one of the facts. So with that understood, where do you think Cardano, Chainlink, and Cardano, Chainlink, and Compound, where do you think they're headed? which should we invest in? I'm pulling up right now Coinbase as it's taking forever to load. And we're looking at Cardano right now. Let's go to the 1 month chart. It's down 10.81%. Dipped as low as $1.91. Now trading at $2.16. Now, Cardano has been a big favorite. It spiked all the way up to $3.10 around the announcement of its smart contracts. But since then, it has been on a continuous downward trend. Do you think it's time for that trend to reverse? Looks like some turbulence. It has been as high as $2.46 in this same time period. What do you think happens for Cardano? Does it continue to go lower? Does it go down here? What do you think will happen? Let's see, it was $1.21 here. How low can it go? Or do you think that, let's see here, or should we go to Compound? Let's take a look at Compound. Now, Compound was recently featured in a video because we had to clown the man behind Compound, who was titled the Goof King. So make sure you check out this video
for the price
and you'll understand why Robert Leshner has been called on this channel the King of the Goofs because of his intentional act. I don't want to spoil that video for you, but Compound had long been one of my favorites before that. But looking past that, what do you think will happen with Compound? Is it going to be a good pick? Should we choose Compound over Cardano? Or should we go with Cardano? Post in the comments. Let's look at where Compound is over 1 month. It was as high as $400. Right now it's at $312. It has went as low as $279. Over a year, it has been as low as $80 and as high as $915. So you have you got a really important decision to make here. You got some major upside and downside potential. It's sitting at $312, closer to $80.75 than it is to its all-time high of $915.60. Now, post in the comments. You got risk reward. You got to remember, Bonehead might decide to jam you at any given time. Robert Leshner, King of the Goofs, could attack again. So you got to consider that in your risk. So let's take a look at the last option. This is the last crypto that starts with a C that's very popular and is down in the last month. Chainlink. Now I know there's tons of Chainlink fans everywhere. But what is the deal? Why won't Chainlink break out? We're finally seeing Polkadot do some stuff. Why won't Chainlink blow up like everyone says it will? Over the last year, it's up 145%, which is impressive. But in the past month, it's been down 10.5%, 10.52%. Currently trading at $26.65 on Coinbase. It got as high as $29.43 and as low as $20.82 in the last month. Chainlink is super popular, but in my opinion, it has been very disappointing. Looking at the lows, it seems to be trending upward. Higher lows, but not higher highs. And that is the problem, or is that the opportunity? Post in the comments. Which one of these cryptos is your favorite? Compound, Chainlink, or Cardano? We have to make a decision. If you're going to DCA, which is the best strategy to get rich, you want to be buying something continuously. So make your purchases every week or every month, but you want to buy the coin with the biggest opportunity, don't you? At this point in time, I want to thank you for watching this video and liking it. If you didn't like this video, make sure you watch all my other videos, daily crypto reports. I'm sure you'll find another video that you will like, but if you don't, just watch every video and share them with somebody who will. Until tomorrow, peace.